Hello everyone. I have created a disaster prep because when a disaster strikes, people panic, and finding a clear, safe evacuation route and checklist personalized for your family becomes a life or death challenge. That is why we built Disaster Prep, an intelligent emergency coordinator that acts as a secure real-time lifeline. Disaster Prep is a stateful multi-agent system which is built on Google Agent Development Kit 2.0 framework under the Agents for Good track. It helps users generate custom, secure, and context-specific evacuation guidelines during any natural crisis. As you can see on our cover banner, Disaster Prep is designed to be automated, secure, and intelligent, integrating geolocational hazard feeds and safety protocols at a glance. Let us walk through the architecture diagram. First, the user enter, enters our workflow and is immediately filtered by the security checkpoint node to redact sensitive PII like GPS coordinates and to intercept prompt injections. Next, if the user passes, it is routed to the coordinator agent, which acts as a central orchestrator. The coordinator agent then delegates tasks to two specialized sub-agents, the route planner agent and the checklist specialist agent. Using ADK agent tools, these sub-agent query our model context protocol or MCV server to pull real-time hazard warnings, open shelters, and weather conditions. And finally, the plan is passed to the human approval node where the workflow pauses using request input before routing the final approved plan to the output node. Uh, let's look at the running interface. Uh, in our first test case, I am asking in zip code 90210. There is a wildfire 5 miles north, and what evacuation routes should I take, and what emergency supplies do I need? So it first, you can see that the security checkpoint scrubs the location data, and then sub agents fetch the um, active wildfire warnings, uh, and the checklist specialist agent compiles the custom checklist that are to be done. Uh, and the workflow now pauses and requesting, like it has given the hazard analysis and evacuation routes, um, and immediate the actions. Now, what to do? The next steps are given, and the checklist is given, personalized. Mm, and now it pauses and asks, do you approve and want to finalize this plan? So once we reply yes, the system finalizes the logs and logs the plan. If a malicious user attempts to bypass our system with prompt injection, like in our second test case, the security checkpoint immediately intercepts the word Keyword ignore previous instructions or ignore your instructions and terminates the flow and logs a critical audit warning. Mm, our security checkpoint uh, handles PII redaction and domain-specific safety filtering and automatically outputting structured JSON logs for audit compliance. Meanwhile, our STDIO MCP server connects our LLM agents directly to live data, including weather parameters and um, shelter capacities. Disaster prep provides individuals, families, and emergency response teams with secure, highly personalized planning toolkit when they need it most. By combining structured workflows, secure checkpoints, and real-time MCP tools, we make AI-powered disaster preparedness safe, reliable, and accessible. Thank you.